opportunity for my students, our class, to come out into nature. That might be on the beach, it might be in the forest, and to just connect, just connect with the natural world. I think it's important on many levels. The curriculum is just so much more meaningful, I think, when we're outside. Just seeing them being calm, seeing their confidence grow. Like, we'll do sketching, we'll do math. There's just so much of the curriculum that you can bring outside. I think it really is endless what you can do outside in nature. You don't have to be in the classroom.